Welcome to 1022 Flagler Avenue. This poured concrete contemporary home in the Casa Marina was built in 2017. It sits above base flood and has impact doors and windows. Entering this home, you can see the crisp lines of the open floor plan. The rooms are filled with light from the windows and sliding glass doors. The kitchen is a great social space with modern design elements featuring high-end appliances, white kitchen cabinetry, open shelving, and Caesar stone countertops. The large island is perfect for casual seating. The adjoining living room is a delightful open space for relaxing or partying. The dining area is defined by shiplap elements and brings the outdoors into the home through sliding doors. Step into the beautiful Key West sunshine to check out the lush landscaped yard area and the inviting heated saltwater pool. The contemporary architecture of this home is striking from poolside. As we head back inside, don't miss the outdoor shower and pool bathroom. Now let's check out the rest of the house. This home offers 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. On the first level, there is a master bedroom suite with a garden view. Behind a frosted glass barn door is a large ensuite bath, complete with rainfall shower and a hallway of custom closets and a laundry area. On the second level, there is a guest bedroom and ensuite bath with a nearby office. 3 steps up leads to the upstairs master bedroom and sitting area. The sunlit master bedroom with ensuite bathroom overlooks the pool and gardens. As we head downstairs, we admire again the soaring ceilings and open flow of this beautiful 2,100 square foot home. Outside, sleek modern fencing leads to the enclosed garage and additional off-street parking. Perfectly situated near the island's beaches and the best restaurants on Duval Street, 1022 Flagler Avenue checks all the boxes for your Key West home.